Kila siku imoriwia, mina kujali twende nyumbani. Awinyi porokwena, tina sukali. Inya parot, inke ni meichwinya. Amita nyuti mama pepore matie wichwinya. Inkakan, yo, inkakan. Kari timenini, you the girl of my heart. I carry chet wakwene, you're the queen of my heart. Yeah, pretty lady, let's jubilate. My baby, let's jarabida be in. Wafu wabifuru be in.
All right. Welcome to Tami TV right about now. And it's Mr. Laughter. Today, I am very, very happy and excited to really bring to you the latest artist with the latest song of the year. And it's Mr. Laughter here with you guys. And we have this Celebrity Corner. And as you guys know, every time we have Celebrity Corner, we have fun and we enjoy ourselves here. So I have a very good friend of mine, and he's going to introduce himself to you guys. And he knows, I mean, some of you knows him from all around the world. He's a good musician, and everybody knows him. So let's get started and have fun together. Yes, brother. Let me bring you back in here, and we see who you are. How are you, brother?
I'm okay, man. I'm okay.
Give us a cappella, please. Give us a cappella.
Yeah,
Somebody
yo.
wants to know.
All right, man. Should I give you guys the fresh one, the old vibe? Man, I have plenty.
Just do them any, give them any.
Kila siku imoriwia, mina kujali twende nyumbani. Awinyi porokwena, tina sukali. Kila siku imoriwia, mina kujali. Awinyi porokwena, tina sukali. Yeah, inyaparot. Inke ni meichwinya, amita nyuti mama pepore matie wichwinya. Inkakan, yo, inkakan. Yeah, man.
Yeah. One love, brother. One love, brother. How have you been?
Man, I've been there ups and down, looking
Yeah.
for the cash, the money.
Mm. Yeah, that is the only way to go. Sometimes when you want to eat and have fun, the only way is getting money. That's what
Yeah,
most
yeah,
people say. So
yeah,
it's
man.
always good to have money in the pocket. Anyway, how is life taking you around?
The first thing I need to tell you is life is good. I thank God for I've reached here in this new month, this new
Mm-hmm.
year. So I feel I'm okay. I just give God the glory.
Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Good to
Yeah,
know that you are having fun and enjoying yourself in so many aspects. So,
yeah,
um, musically, I've heard you have come up with something, but we can get to that later. Maybe somebody who is watching us never really seen you and doesn't know you completely.
yeah.
Can you please introduce yourself so that people can know, the first people who are watching right now, they get to know who you are exactly, so that yeah, they get to understand exactly who we are talking with.
All right. I'm Bravorix UG.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Basically, I'm based in northern Uganda.
Yeah.
Where Lebachuli.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think I'm a versatile artist. I
Mm-hmm.
go a dancer. I do
Yeah.
RNB. I do Afrobeat.
Yeah.
I do Afro
Mm.
dancer. So I'm a bit versatile. And if you go to my YouTube channels, you'll find
Mm-hmm.
gospel there. You'll find even our traditional music there. So I'm a bit versatile. I'm an
Mm.
Acholi by tribe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm an
That
Acholi
is.
by tribe. Yeah, I come from Gulu. Gulu is like my village. Yeah.
That is, yeah, that that is good to know. That is good to know that you come
Yeah.
from Gulu, and yeah, for somebody who is going to be interested in your music, when would you say, or when would you tell us that let me say, when did you begin your musical journey? Uh,
Uh, my musical journey definitely. I was this kid that loved music since day one.
mm,
I started my music way back in when I was still even in primary. But then it wasn't serious. I used to just do some rap thing. I used to sing some gospel. But
Yeah.
then when I entered high school, I started doing the miming.
Yeah.
When I finished 2017, that's when I finished my Form 4.
Yeah.
Uh, then when I started in a serious way, in a business way,
Mm-hmm.
I think Acharo 2019. That's when I released
20.
my first single was called
Mm.
Party Mood. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find a song called Party Mood. It
Party
was a
mood. Okay.
banger. Yeah,
Mm.
so it was a banger, but that's how I started bringing up my music to a lively way.
Yeah.
By then, I was just doing it for fun.
Mm.
So when I saw that there's some little thing that come out of it, I started becoming
Yeah.
serious and yeah.
Okay.
So
That.
2019, that's when I started serious business with
Mm.
music
Yeah.
till now. Yeah.
Mm. So yeah, till now you're still doing it, and do you feel like you're having so much fun doing it? Do you
Yeah.
feel like you're enjoying it? What would you say is the one benefit, or that the most important benefit that you can tell us just from
Uh,
music? Mm.
I got from there's something I got from music.
Yeah, something you got from music.
I tell you, music is fun, my people. Music is
Yeah,
fun. First of all, music to talent is not easy to control.
yeah,
In your Bodwai Charo, like in Gulu, let me say in northern Uganda, you watch the well, Mukora,
yeah.
Muyai,
Jomo Bale.
Jomo Bale, Maria don't one but don't ye were more dot down boy any.
Yeah.
They want do Majai.
Mm.
But then, right now, when you go deep, music is employing a lot of kids on street.
Yeah.
Yeah, me myself, I was guy that used to hustle on street.
Mm.
Music got me up.
Yeah.
I got good. Music gave me a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, I'm living in a very nice environment.
Mm-hmm.
I'm driving,
Mm-hmm.
so that's all music you get.
Yeah.
So and another thing is I got
Mm.
awarded in the line of music.
Yeah.
So I give God the glory that at least I've made it where I am right now, and I'm still going far because the dream is big.
Yeah.
I feel I've not yet achieved the dream.
Mm-hmm.
Maate meranani.
Yeah.
So I feel in like 3 years to come,
Yeah.
I'll be someone that I don't know.
Mm.
I'll be someone who is big in the game.
Yeah. So yeah,
Yeah,
that's pretty good. Ange
yeah,
chama kene jimene beru mere tech.
yeah,
As you're
true.
doing music as well. So mo no dwaga la pen paranga ma ino the music and ma furi yabe. Why chaka 2020 ma beru serious, right? 2020 2019. Uh
2019,
2019
that's when I
2020.
was seriously into
Okay.
the game.
Okay.
Yeah.
So kira de chako kene do you have any challenges ma ino in the music aspect? Okay, jimene weng mereng wen na kano ko kape.
Let me tell you, in you man, our business my can my child. There's
uh
always a challenge,
yeah.
and through that challenge, you get more stronger.
Mhm.
So in music, I've faced a lot of challenge. For your music to be played somewhere, my guy, you have to maybe pay someone,
Yeah.
or you need to get in touch with the DJ.
Mhm.
It is always hard
Yeah.
pushing. I think promotion is the hardest thing in this game.
Yeah.
Promotion is the hardest thing because
Mm.
you can sing 1,000 songs
Mm.
in studios,
Yeah.
but then you will fail to release one because of promotion.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to
Mm.
have the money, you have to have the
Mm.
good management that can push you far.
Mm.
And another thing is making friendship. So
Yeah.
in music, the challenge is if ka ibere ngat makana kana ke art,
Mm.
at the end of the day, you will not go far with music. So
Yeah.
music, you need to be ngat mati open,
Mm.
interact with the other people outside there.
Mm.
So that's the way out of marketing yourself. So challenges in music is my biggest challenge is I think it's promotion.
Mm.
Promotion.
Mm.
Sometimes you me and the promotion chama at the end of
Mm.
the day petting promotion.
Yeah.
So it is breaking you down,
Yeah.
and Petit Tami is breaking you down with your brand.
Yeah.
But there's a saying, there's always a saying, never give up until you make it.
Yeah.
That way we are still in the game. Today, Tini Cork, Diri Amano,
Yeah.
from where you have stopped. So,
Mm.
yeah,
Yeah, mono, yeah, that makes sense, kira. Pen chama
yeah,
kene Jimmy no kira time kere no pe war ma bere to al pen ngeni
yeah,
an kono bitim gena ngo diri nyo like ngi kira kono kono ber kere kere wa ngara
yeah.
no chama kene ka miero chama no da chama pe so no look attack. But yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, mono with the challenges and the achievements. So your biggest achievement might know in music, ma. And then last time Mama Bid Wakiri, you got award, be best
Yeah,
R&B singer
yeah,
of the year. Was it R&B or it
yeah.
was,
It
yeah, it
was
was R&B.
R&B,
Yeah,
yeah,
best, yeah,
R&B Artist of the Year. Yeah.
yeah. So for this year, Nana releasing where di ma de releasing ma any me chaka do machel. Kaya food and a chill
I
and
think
again.
this year I've just released
Mm,
one single. You
mm,
know, I think I don't rush my
yeah.
product.
Mm,
I think that my plan for this year, I may only even release 2 songs,
mm.
but with a target.
Okay.
Again,
Yeah.
because again, saturating a lot of your product there. At the end
Mm,
of the day,
mm.
fans will not listen to them. They will not absorb them the way you
Yeah.
feel like it's supposed to be absorbed.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, no ibalo guvuni no. So
Yeah,
anyway,
for
I'll
sure,
honor the
get it.
time
Mm,
in a year. If I don't release, my target for a year is always 3.
mm,
But if I fail to release 3, I always release 2 good songs that I know will push me for the whole of the year.
mm,
Because if I release one, takes me like for 6 months, then another one's for another 6 months. At the end of the day,
mm.
that's already a year. Then
Yeah.
I look forward for the next year, because by the time I reach November, December, I'm already planning
Mm,
for a project of the next year. Yeah.
mm. Yeah, like sometimes nge kira dance strategizing kere. Jomo
Mm.
kene Karoni, within the first 6 months, Mira Yubwe either Rio on your deck, and then the other second 6 months, Mudongi, Mira Yuba Rio on your deck, because you can betka trending at the beginning of the year. Kiwe money, Mabina dear, Kenyan, Kadak, towards the end of the year, penning in a show, gi no dwong mata, so no me releasing at least way more towards Christmas. Pangi kiri na kiri planning, Migi, people
Mm.
down mati, when around Kenyo.
For me, my main aim is I'm not looking at the way the year starts or the way the year ends.
Mm,
I see the way my fans consume my product.
okay.
So Anarkera fans are coming up to support my product. You know, there are some
Mm,
songs, Mr. Laughter, let me tell you,
mm.
I watch it again, I tell you, the way Mukana may releasing,
Mm.
Makwara for paying out of chart, and
Yeah,
you'll first fail to release other project.
yeah. But I don't know and food don't hear going on.
And that happened to me last year.
Mm,
I had a project called Twende Nyumbani.
mm,
Twende Nyumbani po ye na car me releasing
mm,
other songs. I released a song called Tiso. It
mm.
was like I wasted that product.
Yeah. Yeah, Papa win you know your way anyway.
You never I know you don't know about it.
Yeah.
Even I think I've not yet even uploaded it on what?
On
On
YouTube.
on YouTube, because it
Mm.
was like a wasted product. So
Uh,
I'm waiting for like after maybe a year
mm,
or a year or two, maybe I'll do it as a remix, then I release it again.
yeah.
Because then I came again, I released a song called Ginamarana.
Mm.
I remember we premiered with you.
Yeah, yeah. I remember
So
that. Mm.
of which the fans were still requesting for
Mm.
Twende Nyumbani,
Bandy, yeah.
yet I have a new product on ground. So,
Yeah, you let it a bit attack, get it.
so
Yeah, for
I
sure.
had a lot of challenge.
Uh,
I said, now what can I do?
mm,
That way now I came with my management. We sat down and said, now what?
mm,
Next year, which is this year,
mm,
we are going to just do 2 projects
yeah.
for the year. We shall see how the first project will take us.
Mm,
So right now it will, because the first project of the year will give me the
The,
signal or
yeah,
the indicator
yeah,
for how the year will end.
yeah.
You get.
Mm,
So I came up with my strategy now.
mm,
And I watch it, okay.
mm,
Kera dong journey dong better kumani
mm.
and be a been okay style my bad.
Yeah.
So
uh,
this year, personally, I want to release
okay.
two project, good songs,
Mm,
whereby whether you want to release it, you want whether the fans want to release it, listen to one project for the whole year is up to them. But
yeah.
my main aim is two,
Mm,
unless by the way,
mm,
I may go for three.
yeah.
And then next year I'm planning for even collabos,
Mm,
releasing collabos and other things.
yeah.
But for this year,
Mm,
I think I have two projects
okay.
because from what I've learned from the last time,
Mm.
really, it
Robert.
gave me a real good one, a good one.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
so yeah, so kada you ni bitimo basically 2 songs in a year.
yeah.
Now we minima releasing this year ni we na nyeng kidong penga yibu we ni wa kong down ngi kong pen per ta ko to ri wa ni project bitimo project ari kan no jo ma ken expecting ni nyiri do gidi mer we ma dung ni da wa ni mer we ari ke kan in this year chidong no one
You
with
know,
him anything.
first of all, me now, Dano Chala and I compete with myself. That is one. I know
Yeah.
there's a lot of competition there in the industry,
Mm,
mostly in where I'm best right now in northern Uganda.
mm,
Competition doing the way doing that.
mm,
And I'm competing with myself. Wait, okay. If I did a hit song last year,
mm,
that means
yeah.
now my main aim is also to release a hit song that will can play for even 7 months non-stop. You get.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's my main aim. In your time, kind of releasing more product on ground. At the end of the day, they'll only
Yeah.
pick one to listen.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so when the budget you have put to push others,
Mm.
you would have put it to push that one song to
That
reach
one song.
to the best way you wanted it to be pushed. Because at
Yeah.
the end of the day, you one artist when we make mistake, Piana na
Mm.
la wara releasing a new song and be a
In
miracle
be
like
mer ya in be mer de tu chere chot.
So, but a man learning a lesson using your own pace
Yeah.
is the best thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, sorry, the new song I've released
Mm.
is called "MAR ME CWINYA."
Mm.
"MAR
You
ME
are
CWINYA."
nyeng on eh?
When it is "MAR ME CWINYA."
Ma me chunya. Okay.
Yeah. "MAR
Mm.
ME CWINYA" is a love song. You
Mm.
know, I'm a guy who's trying to spread love, eh? Because
Yeah.
right now, if you go to northern Uganda, most guys are thinking they're singing more of heartbreak. Eh? So I'm
Yeah.
trying to mend those
Mm.
the hearts that were broken. So
So you don't like chang chun jo I don't
I think change think you might for ma and well ma become easy
Yeah.
for them.
Okay. Ko do charge wa kapera ne kon wa
All
win
right,
ngi pol kar ya ka were ti manyan pol down. Yeah, we'll put the link of the song also in the YouTube video here. Wa
all
yo
right,
mo
all
no
right.
rom downloading jo mi cha na na wa kunan ke mi wa kapela kon that would be our intro.
And can't it take anything? You the girl of my heart. I carry check to Aquene. You're the queen of my heart. Yeah, kind of love on the will, I'll buy it for you. Kind of dunia ni will, I will iri. Yeah, kind of parliament katoko fosse. Ono watoko kwisan bando. Hey, baby, imagine. Baby, we could imagine. In when imagine. And when imagine. A carry team anything. You the girl of my heart. A carry chip to Wakwane. You the girl of my heart. Yeah. Mame chunya megi. Yeah. Pingiroba kuningeoni amari. Mame chunya megi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pingiroba kuningeoni amari. My pretty lady, let's jubilate. My baby, let's Jarabeda. piin wafu wabifuru piin.
Yini wax bol dara jal yini ngi fuya.
You know, I wrote this song out of experience. You know, Mr. Laughter, let me tell you one thing. There's a way love can drive you. You know, when you're in love with someone, if it
Yeah.
wang
Yeah, for
for
sure, get
that
it.
person. Now,
Yeah.
as men,
Mm.
they'll kadagano I the one I made a twin. Iyele the
Mm.
one why yen no.
Mhm.
So that's what I'm trying
Yeah.
to say ni chara bi dak pi in wa fuwa before pi in. You get?
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah, so basically I'm trying to tell someone that in love you can do anything to save your love. Yeah.
Yeah. That makes sense. Get it. Pene chama kene nge yeah yeah it really really makes sense. Pene
Mm.
yeah market ye chama kene nong nano gena ti me dong kamo kene nong be pe kare ba chunyi ye.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like the song. The song is so nice. I've listened to it.
Okay.
Watched it on YouTube as well. So
Yeah,
it's a
thank
very
you.
very good song. Ian ma put pe nano kwan kere ni chere Brother Rex UG YouTube nyo TikTok nyo kamoge ken ma itwa no ye we na ambu wichi kwe ma no bad mono kama ana nge irama chero kono streaming
Yeah.
we we no supporting and bene ka pay subscribing channel ma mega bene share subscribing wa kolo to and bene unong bene piana piata ka wa supporting our northern artist mono
Yeah.
gen ma piata to twal gen duchuma wa temo ken we just do it so that we can support our northern artist pen ka wan po supporting gen anga kono wano mi ye wa chunka nget gi kore wa no gen me gunong kwa ma yom kida
And
no jomo
one
ken be tika
do
no kwa ma yom do so
and one they go.
Pera tek ni chere nyut ma bot Bravo Rex ka che
Yeah.
penge Bravo ki choy mene BRAVO and then Rex ti in ngi Rex to pa ngi bi ngi lu ni
REX.
Rex ke te ma kong mono.
By the way, most people
Eh,
confuse that name, eh? Most
yeah.
people confuse that name. Name Bravo Rex
Mm,
UG.
mm,
Basically, Bravo means excellence. In when you
mm,
go to French, it means
yeah,
something excellent. You get. Then
yeah.
Rex. You know, I like legacy. Eh?
Mm,
I named myself Rex after the king of the king of England. There was a king
England, yeah.
called Rex.
Mm,
So that's why at the end of the day you find myself calling myself the excellent king. So I'm trying to
oh,
interpret the name that
okay,
Bravo
okay.
means the
Mm,
excellent, then
mm,
Rex means the king. So I'm a king
mm,
of on my own. Like
mm. Yeah.
yeah. So when you find myself saying the excellent king, so I'm trying to
King, yeah.
interpret Bravo Rex.
Okay, now
Yeah.
Dan Yang, but I'm no pan yang ping every at the end of your song when you the excellent king. I know nyam right. Mere jo mega mega de ya ba ke nyam mir chakero ne ya chak kira karo ke mega ne wa da gunyu yot.
Kawachi, you see yours. When I'm listening to any song from you, when I just hear
Uh,
Mr.
uh,
Love, I say,
uh, yeah, but yeah, it's a good time. But you put kind about a tubes. I'm a producer, but I'm you win a tubes. You book a jang, I'm
Yeah,
kind of
man.
you.
But right now, I'm working with Atoops in every project I'm releasing.
Hmm.
I'm working with Atoops Pro because I
Hmm.
feel I'm very free with him. We can edit a song. Do you know the funny thing with me and Atoops? We
Hmm.
are very funny. We can record a
Yeah.
song today. Tomorrow we delete it. We will do another one. Yes. So I'm
We
I'm a
will
bit
macho.
yeah, I'm a bit very free with him. He's free with me, and he's like a brother to me. I'm a
Yeah.
guy. I was born a very. I'm the only boy in the family, so I grew up
Yeah.
with the ladies most time.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
when I get in touch with a guy or a man who understands me, who take me the way I am, I
Yeah.
feel so good, and I feel like I've got the brother that I was lacking. You get?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was me
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
Atix. We are always like
Mm.
this. We're always moving. We are here. We are there. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, it makes sense. Get a pair tackle. It really, really makes sense. Pen,
yeah,
kai no, ngara mama understands you more.
yeah,
I feel like yeah, irama chara kere ma pair tack, but no, yeah, no relating my baby. At the end of it all, relationship a pair tack,
yeah,
and yeah, you know you kara marke kupu wat ke down no pair tack.
yeah.
Penti jomo kai ne chao keni wote be pero ma konyi alo remi mano iti ki wano be ke gi konyi lo ngara mo ke ken
Yeah, that is
in
the
your
that's the
life.
fact.
So.
Mm.
So no pair attack ni yeah get makera anybody team.
Le-
Now
le- mm.
yeah no kong don't watch out on and kong yeah about videos videos my way and manyan ma yobani is it coming out soon or do you have any plan for that video girl?
Yeah, this one I'm having a very pure plan for it. I want it before the
Mm,
with the song spend like 2 or 3 months at least. I'm done with the video, so I'm already making plans for the video shoot.
mm,
So very soon I'll also let you know, man. Let's premiere the
yeah.
video.
Okay, that would
Yeah,
be nice. I
yeah.
would be grateful to do some little
You know
clips here.
the problem I have
Mm,
in Uganda, video shoot is very expensive.
yeah,
It's
for
very
sure.
expensive, and right now you cannot shoot something of low quality. So everyone want to appear
Mm,
on TV. So that why
yeah.
sometimes you find when you find an artist releasing only audios, Bambi, don't
Mm,
think ni guak no take a pair so no
yeah.
so magalega bara ni diro cargo me
Mm,
shooting
little
video.
cara, yeah. But
But
also, angeo, the jomo kene mabe timo quality videos at a very low cost
mm,
if you know exactly what you want.
yes, yes.
Because I know, like some people, what they do their storyline, they write their own storyline, and then find somebody walk through that storyline and ETA for your video,
Let
and
me tell
then
you.
get you know gina and timo
Mm,
only, and I don't makone because you already worked on your storyline and everything script when you will only direct you on how to do it.
it is
I feel
very
like
hard.
come
It is very
yeah.
hard to get one person like that here. I
Mm,
remember I went to one of the video directors. I wrote my storyline. I wanted blah blah blah
mm,
blah.
mm,
You know what the guy told me? He said, "Now, okay,
mm.
for this storyline, I need you to give me 6 million." I said, "Wow." So at the
uh,
end of the day, you'll go with his storyline.
yeah. Bo don't tell me I don't work don't yin don't pay
Yes.
again.
Yet, yet when you see your storyline is very good, it will
Yeah.
even bring the meaning of the song. But
Yeah, to
the
you.
person will
Mm,
refuse your storyline because he wants his storyline, of which his storyline is not even matching with the song you're singing. But
yeah.
now,
And then the only thing you don't work with them, you find that there's so many videographers, so you don't
mm,
work with them. Pen and pa mera team gumoma near you chwinyi, but kono an gen manan. Anyway, you're a videographer, engage maduong, but also me ranani are respecting ngara the way any and what he or she wants. Not that gen mag team when you went to correct. If you can walk me through what team jim like makes sense to me ni wati kiri ka chelo an bena bedi involved because an pa mera yob gi money pian in de nge yup ne er an pa tiga mi yo kiri input mo ke kana ye it's my song in tiga teacher in mi cha ni tila teacher.
uh, it is hard. Mostly in
Yeah.
Uganda here, it is very hard. Uh,
Yeah.
at the end of the day, it's like you're underlooking them. I think that's how they think. I don't know why.
Now they look yeah.
I think they think
Yes.
like we are underrating them or what. But at the end
Mm,
of the day, you're killing somebody's brand because somebody
yeah,
has
for sure.
brought out a storyline.
Mm,
Because I
mm,
wrote the song, I know what
yeah,
I was
in
bringing.
yeah, all
And
the feelings
and
behind it,
me tell,
emotion when yeah.
and me give my any feeling for the song.
Mm,
So at
yeah.
the end of the day, the video will just survive like for a month. They drop it
Mm.
down.
No too much, yeah, because the
Yeah.
passion man man you carry ki twin man or you be no carry no
It
don't
is not
pay,
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It makes sense, kira. Yeah, yeah, anyway, we wish kira Jimmy well to my bay.
Mm,
Kache nana yaba yupo video any no pay attack to 12.
mm,
Um yeah, may almost chuck me a geek in we can just talk. I don't know what else we have in store. Unyo pi magane ni plan mamigi for inge mara kati angwen your beach inani tikwiri na ne wai ni by within 3 years I made a bit of money so ngo mai tika na for your career in the music
uh,
kidong bene ke gamo dong la wa achele ana ye a win you wine ti under promotion you ti under record label mai ti ene ka de gama ngo ma ti ke plan ki record label lo ene me chwelo wanyim.
yeah, okay, let me start with my plan for the years. My plan I think ikinge mwaka dek angwan Kenya.
Mm.
I
Mm.
think the way I see myself, angeni, I'll be somewhere very big, and my brand.
Mm.
By that time, I think my brand will be at the top notch because I'm working
Yeah.
so hard for the brand. Right now, I'm building the brand. That is the thing that is really making me sometimes feel like tired. But I'm really
Yeah.
trying so hard to push the brand. I want the brand because once the brand become bigger, in future, I'll
Mm.
start now maybe signing these young artists, bring them under the record
Mm.
label. You know, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
we need to support the home people. We need to support the home
Yeah.
people. And then
For sure.
I'm under Madeke promotion, Madeke
Mm.
events and events management and promotion. So
Promotions.
yeah,
Mm.
so I'm working with him. We are now like 1 year down the road. So far so
Okay.
good. We have won
Mm.
an award with him. So we have
Mm.
made colorful days with him. Musically, I've
Yeah.
performed on big stages. So I feel still
Mm.
working with him is going to push us to the next level. So I'm grateful
Mm.
getting him. Madeke promotion.
Mm.
Shout out
Mm.
my brother.
Well done. I know him personally as well. He's a very good guy. So kaiti tikere.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
did
he
he?
told me about you too. He told me about
Ari ya dong be palo ke cho ba raj mi ko ka texting cho ko. Ari ya palo ke cho. But he's a good guy.
you.
I like him penanti ya
Yeah.
dan mamaro ya malu we to twal dak maro ngat mano berati per tek to twal. So program unity for how long? One kere ke tio like for eternity.
There's nothing like we didn't sign things. Maybe a document. Why it will last for
Mm.
5 years? It is right now. What we are trying
Mm.
to do, we're trying to build
Yeah.
us.
Mm.
You get because right now, if you come to the world of
Mm.
business, it's all about
Yeah.
building. Build the brand, build the music, market the music, or build the kind of music or the business you're
Yeah.
best in. At the end of the day, uh, you cannot do
Yeah,
it
you
alone.
cannot, yeah, for sure.
Okay, you
Mm.
cannot do it alone. So that's why when we came together, we spoke. We came with the
Mm.
agreement. We didn't sign any papers,
Mm.
but we have our terms and
Mm.
condition. Eh, so I don't exceed my limit
Yeah.
on him. Even him, he doesn't exceed the limit
Mm.
on me, because we are all family
Mm.
people. He has a
Mm.
family. I have people I'm trying to have people I'm feeding. I have people I'm
Yeah.
working for. So all this thing we are doing is strictly
Okay.
business.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. And
Yeah.
then you're doing it for the business aspect of it. Now, kila de la pain no nga winyi wa ne tie ki family nga gini yen man tie dan ma wi no no ke la wi dul ke te
Yeah.
dan ma
And
dong.
I told you,
Ke wa
I
ne
told
ga
you, I've been
ke
surviving
ma
this
tie.
question. Oh, yeah.
Pero tek ni daro ge
uh, le-
ne.
but I don't know. I don't know whether I'm single and searching, or why I'm single. I'm not searching. But I feel like I'm just free. I'm just happy.
Mm.
Yeah, nyawa ni mo
Well,
toro tal ya
well,
lo toro tal ma dong pangya go kabi por ma daya.
uh, bala wirong.
Boda wai kong da wera no ti wera lo kama ena biro na ti ma. Coward.
Inge lu we lu inge chao ke lu we wer ge no time kom gi so pangi
Yeah.
ga mingi ni gwa lo
Let me
time
tell
ku bi
you.
pianda winyi ne e we ne de wa kira time ni ning no kira ge nga do
Let
yen
me
no ma
tell
yi
you.
no te
Yeah,
ga
and the storyline behind that song is based on true story because you know carry team any name. I can't make it yeah totally. I yell my right. And oh car my dan na wa.
Jimmy Jimmy don't
Eh,
wrong bi ka kan
so man. You know, there's a part I say that loka ningen pe bora pay lok ningen pe bora loka ningen pe bora pay lok ningen eh la mego benna kan ana mire ikona lo nyodo na wen gimari ana mire ikona baby I do love man that
Yeah,
mami
look, we ma be
kagimari
look, we look, we look, we to yeah, ma me at kay mere ga
eh
ga ka dong yin pe mere be no Jimmy tak.
Uh, you'll face it rough. Do you know? Chamo kena wile
Yeah.
chapat pedonya beya because you're thinking about someone.
Mm, yeah,
That why we
that makes
artists
sense.
sometimes we sit down. We what we go through is what we write. Because Mr.
Yeah.
Laughter, I know, I bet you have
Mm,
never written a song without you
mm,
experiencing something, without you, or maybe you have seen it happening to someone,
yeah.
or maybe you dreamt about it, or you are thinking about it, because you'll never come up
Yeah.
with something without you thinking about it. Because
Mm.
I've listened to
It
several
makes sense,
products from
good.
you. There are some songs
Mm,
that are touching. You said, "Wow," you get.
yeah. Um yeah, let me say for me, get my polkare. Let me see the way I do my songs. When I polka experience my work, yeah, and how not even strictly gospel, but
Yeah.
also give me my as long as I do gospel, the things maluba no timo in my
Yes,
life,
yes,
the things
that's what
mano
I'm talking about. I said,
experience money mano akarki, yeah, and then I just want to express it out, but dano like right now, we more the kind of wanna tupsi. It's a song, but it's very touchy. Don't chalk get it tune,
okay,
but it's just my experience with my mom. I lost my mom.
yeah,
So right now, if we don't, since this year, no, I don't, a bit of away, then, you break down, you're writing something, man, it's very touchy, and then
yeah,
I just forget, and then I feel like, oh, I can't away. So it's been a long time. But actually, when I for the Uganda kono last year, my peer do
yeah,
Kanye. But every time I show because of that experience, my decade it's really difficult to finish the song. But I'm glad they all told mod mod I show it here.
yeah.
That'll be win you, man. You will love it.
I
Penny,
understand,
there's a
bro.
lot of things, Manoti. Yeah. But yeah, that is life. So sometimes it's good to write life experience, Madana work,
Yeah,
yeah, and then that's how you far your song
yeah.
goes. Penny, Polkare, ke Mati abstract to 12, Bene,
Mhm.
Pachar come about to 12.
Now a person like me, Atie Dana very emotional. By the way,
Yeah,
I'm very emotional. Whereby something small can easily break me down. Ma
yeah,
chamo kena ka koko. That's when I can get back on my feet. And to ka gwa ko
mm,
gimo like for long, it will always
mm,
treat me bad. Chamo kena ti
yeah,
worry you no ata. And my mindset is not there. I'm thinking about
yeah,
something. So
yeah,
uh, that's why I told you that you will never write something you're not thinking about.
mm,
So it's
yeah,
always something that has ever touched your life or
mm-hmm,
something you see it happening to someone. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Things
It
about
makes it
love,
makes
and
sense, yeah.
love is something
Mm,
very beautiful, but
yeah,
very hard to keep.
yeah, difficult too. Yeah,
Guacamole.
difficult. They call you a pay. Job okay, the tension lo ba, yun dong ko.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Pierre Track. Yeah, Balboy Kelpe, Ara for the 12 joining the channel and Mera welcoming down to the if you have not subscribed to the channel, also subscribe Tami Bear TV.
Mm,
Very soon we are thinking of maybe revisiting the name. We're now capturing Jimmy Wang, but right now we're still going with that.
okay.
Pierre Track, and also when the new brand comes in, then you guys can just follow with us. We're no Ameto bit mano capturing almost all the content ma kiri ye
All
kanyo.
right.
We're no bit at least yot ki jomo kene pen jomo kene tung kai ni giwani Tami Bear TV ni luongo ne tek bot gi full so giber ga penya ri ti aloka ni ngo we miera nong nying mo mano at least ma yot ki down do you in all over the world me luongo ne but yeah we shall see we shall look in that and then see kina no matwate mne kere wak
Okay.
be no branding manyeno ka te kidong jim wen content be no be laka manap
Uh,
me kelo ne kere no wa kelo kere so it would be good
uh,
that is for the channel.
I would love to really thank you so much for supporting the Northern Talent, my brother. Thank you
Yeah,
so much, and
no point,
I
yeah.
really appreciate you because it takes a heart for someone to reach out to the fellow, so in order to push
Yeah.
somebody's business. My brother, thank you so
Mm.
much. I just can't wait for you to touch down in Uganda and we chill around. And
Yeah, it should be good.
I
Probably,
take you to
probably
the
by the
source
end of
of
the
the
year.
Nile at least. Well, we eat fish from there.
Uh, yeah, we are both chero, but a tube so
Yeah,
lo siara
yeah.
kenyu. Actually, a tube so no me ba chero kuno bat cho ordering gana right mom a diet full. Nene don't know, don't right me at kuno ma
I'm
pelong
telling
lar.
you, you need to come because the one
Yeah.
you're eating there is not tasty. I need to take you to the source of the Nile.
Eh, I'll be ready. Got beautiful Japan.
You need to come. At least we tour around. It is Uganda, our country. So at the end of the day,
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
promoting our country to the lower to the
And
world.
and
Yeah,
and Kumano, we shall
yeah,
just do some simple videos and stuff. But yeah, we'll
yeah,
be happy to do that. Makno
yeah.
Kaduguno, yeah, we can do that also. Could be part of the channel also. No,
I can't
yeah.
wait by the way, my brother.
Ano po get a attack, ano po me joining one.
I'm not for
Yeah.
I think.
Guy nan Jim Kennedy manyan in po we chi waner kin
Alright.
manoro mati ako na kere.
Mm. Thank
Pero
you
tak
guys.
yeah.
Go check out my new audio, Ma Me CWINYA, at my YouTube channel, Brother XUG. When you go to
Mhm.
TikTok, Brother XUG, AudioMac, Brother XUG, SoundCloud, Brother XUG. You'll all find my music there.
Yeah.
Facebook, Brother XUG. Hit me up. I'll always reply. Yeah. Tell
Yeah.
me how the
Mm.
song is. Give me your comment. You know, your comment make us stronger.
Yeah.
And probably charge you make my lower comment. Ba.
Yeah.
So give my again.
Yeah, gi koro bag on right, you know, be
Gonna back,
par.
all right. It will be for the good of the brand. Yeah. So thank you so
Yeah.
much. I love you guys so much. Continue viewing our
The Celebrity Corner. This program is called Celebrity Corner.
Tammy Bay Celebrity
Yeah.
Corner. Do you know that word ran away from my
Uh,
mind?
yeah.
Tammy Bay
Celebrity Corner,
Celebrity
yeah.
Corner. You guys, by the way, he hosted me last
Mm,
time, and I forwarded to my
mm,
friends. They were so happy
yeah.
to see such kind of
Yeah.
content. It is really good. By the
Mm,
way, I'm going to share all this to my people in Gulu
yeah.
there so that they can also
Yeah, that
watch.
should be good.
At the end of the
Mm,
day, we are all
yeah,
promoting
the
the
business, yeah.
business. Yeah,
Yeah. All right, thank you so much, Gerana, for it while me coming in.
appreciate.
Yeah, you want Jomo Kennedy or subscribing ka channel Romo Gera kono ti di woko di cheng kono cha di in de mak ne no mak teach. Pen per ni ti.
Kila siku imoriwia, mina kujali twende nyumbani, awinyi porokweda, tina sukali, inya parot, inke ni meichwinya, amita nyuti mama pepore matie wichwinya, inkakan, yo, inkakan, kari time nini, you the girl of my heart. I carry chair to a corner. You're the queen of my heart. Yeah, pretty lady, let's jubilate. My baby, let's Jarabeda be in. Wafu wabi furu be in.